Yes, friends, welcome back. This is now another drawing, and this we want to draw orthographic projection. Friends, don't and don't worry about orthographic projection because it is one of the easiest kinds of drawing, and today we want to draw a third angle projection. And third angle projection is the easiest, actually. Third angle projection is the easiest of the projections. And now this, you can watch the previous videos. There is the isometric view of this, and there is 3D drawing of this. Thank you. Tune in and continue to watch us, as well as share with your friends that they may get the knowledge together. So with this, we are going to start with doing the units. In doing the units, you're going to have the precision from 0 to 0 and scale in millimeters. We'll check the limits 0, 0 and 297 to be the higher limit to 210, and then you zoom all. After that, because we want to draw this in orthographic projection, therefore we are going to have this. The page should be in AutoCAD Classic, that you may get the things that are required for this, because they're available in AutoCAD Classic and not 3D. So the first thing that you're supposed to check before we start our drawing is what is the a front side. Where is the front side? The front side, according to this, is in the direction of X. That is the front side, and the end side is in the direction of Y, and the plan is on top. And that is how we are going to place them when we'll be placing the views: the front view, the plan view, and the end view. So the second thing to check is the dimensions of these views. Now the front view have a dimension of length 28, a length of 28, and a height of 14 plus 26 plus 7.5. On side of end, we have the same height as of the front, and a length of 35. On the side of plan, we have the same length as the length of the front, and the height as the length of the end. So with that, we'll begin. We have the front view, that is the front side is 28 by 14 plus 26, that is 40 plus 7.5, that is 47.5. We draw a line. I have auto mode on. 47.5, and remember, we should be having a 1 distance between the views. So we have a length, that is the height, and we have a length of 28. We have a length of 28. Well, and this, we can track this. Well, to this point. Good. And therefore that is, we have that. So we are going to copy this, copy it to a distance of 1. Copy this, copy, paste a distance of 1. Good, that is done. And also copy this to a distance of 1. Well done. Well done. So we are going to copy this, copy to a distance of 1. So with this, we have the front, and now we want to draw the end. The length of the end is 35. So we'll draw a line to 35 and complete it. Well, that is 47.5 and 35. Now after that, remember a height of the plan is the length of the end, and therefore we are going to draw a height of the plan to be 35 and length to be 28. Yes, 35. Good. So remember, this is a third angle projection, and in third angle, this is our plan. This below the plan is the front, and besides the plan, the front on your right is the end. So we are going to start with the front. We'll start with the front, that it may give us some reflections through the end and the plan. So with the front, we have a circle and an edge as well as a rectangle. So we have a circle of 18 and 28. So from the center, draw to 14. Draw a circle from the same center to a distance of 14. So, and draw another from the same center to a distance of 9 radius. Good. Now between the centers we have a distance of 26. Between the centers we have a distance of 26 and then 7.5. So that is between the centers a distance of 26, and at that point we have a rectangle of 9.5 and 9.5. Well, 9.5 and again 2, 9.5 by 2, that is 19. We shall copy this. We'll copy this to a distance of 7.5 and a distance of 7.5 below it, and have it a line joining the two of distance 15, and then copy, copy this to a distance of that, and delete this, no line there. So there we have our line, and we have the next to be here to the tangent, and again line from the corner to the tangent, type tangent that it may come in very fast. Tangent. Good. So there we have our circles. We have our supporting edges, and now lastly we have one that is supposed to be at the front. The front should be 1, so we are going to have a line 15, and from there we are going to extend this. We are going to extend it to that distance, and then after that we are going to copy that to a distance of 2.5, and this the side also 2.5. So because these lines hang, you will have to join them, and you'll have to extend them to reach, well, like that. So we have that. Delete this. We have that is our front. So remember, on the upper cylinder there, it's a hollow cylinder, meaning we also have to include the 9 diameter. So we are going to trim this. We are going to copy this to a distance. Yes, we are going to copy this to a distance, a distance of 3, and a distance of 12. That is, having calculated that it's this a diameter of 9, therefore difference in the radius is 3. So with this we are going to load new line types, because we want to have it different. So when we have it different, let's use dashed 5 times and see if it will actually work. If not, then we'll come back to that and have it well. So this one should be hidden, that one should be hidden, and we come to the dashed. And as you can see, it is not really visible. Let's load another one. Load another one. We will just get it well hidden. Pick the hidden. After that, select the lines. And have hidden to be the one we are looking for. Well, good, hidden 2. So if you expand it, you can see it well that we have some hidden, though when we have it small like that, it's not really visible. So that is the front. So we get to the end. So in the end we will have in the end we are going to have, in the rail center, we have 2 cylinders at the top. Well, and we have, so meaning all these that we have in the front are translated to that side. So this is translated to here, and this one there is this line. So this we have that, and again from here. So remember, the inside circle won't be visible on the end side. Have a line from here to a distance of 7.5. Well, and have your circles, a distance of diameter 15, and again distance of diameter 9. So we have that, and change these ones should not be hidden, they should be by layer. So change the line types. Well done, well done. This one to change to by layer. So after that we are going to trim and have this as the mark. Well, so after that we are done with that. We are going to do the cross. So we are going to have a line from this end heading back to the tangent, and type tangent that you may have it faster. Well, and this that is in front, it is also at the back. Type tangent that you may get it very fast. Well, that is that, and we have we have this, we have this that goes to distance of a distance of 26 minus 7.5, 26 minus 7.5, I will have that 18.5. Well, so this one we are going to copy, so we'll copy 2.5 and this side 2.5 and delete the middle one. Once that is done, so we are going trim, we are going to trim this, and after that we are going to extend, extend this and this. After that so the next thing that we have, on the end side is only that. Now we head to the plan. In the plan, remember, much of what is in the plan is in the front and in the end, so it will be much of copying what is in both. So in the plan we have full of the cylinder, and within that full cylinder we have another cylinder in between, in the middle, so we will get the middle, and we will have our cylinder copied the line to a distance of 7.5 and 7.5. the same line, copy it to a distance of 4.5 and a distance of 4.5. Well, after that, kindly delete the middle line and have the inside two to be hidden lines. You can use that as well. You can download the one visible, we have hidden 1 and hidden 2. Yes, we used hidden 2. Maybe let's see hidden 1. Well, after loading, we have hidden 1. Well, this is more visible, a bit visible, but of the same. Can load. So practice loading one after another, that you may be it may fully stick into your mind. Let's see phantom. How will it do it? Well, phantom. Well, it's now visible. So we have the middle line all hidden, and then that is in the plan, and as well remember this is still there, this one is still there, so we are going to extend it and then we trim. So extend to which line? To this line. Well, and what are we extending? We are extending this line and this line. Well, after that extension, we are going to check back. Remember, this thing is hanging, so meaning it has passed across. So we have this trimmed. Trim it. After trimming that, one remaining, this one. Now, after doing that, we must check back to be sure that we have done it. Well, one is remaining, so the one that is remaining is this. Expand and seal it. Have a line to translate this inside circle to the other end. And then copy this to a distance of 18, and after that we trim this, and there we have. Now have this as hidden and use phantom for all the hiddens. Use phantom. For all the hiddens. Well, good. So here we have our 3D. We have our orthographic projection, third angle projection. We have our third angle projection ready. Orthographic view, third angle projection, drawing from isometric to third angle orthographic projection. And this is very easy. Just tune to the channel, subscribe, like and share with your fellow colleagues that we may grow together in the world of engineering, in the world of drawing, and in the passion of drawing. Drop a comment in the comment section. Drop a comment in the social media handles, in the Facebook, in the YouTube, in Telegram and Instagram, as well as WhatsApp number are all working. Thank you and be blessed.